So, this is the super soft shower, and you can see how much power we're getting out of this here. Now that power is generated not by water pressure. The power is generated by the holes in the size of the holes in the head. So I want to show you first of all how much water pressure I'm using, and I'm not really using a lot. This one here is designed for a high powered system or a high pressure system. You notice the size of the holes are very large. Most people have got something like this one here, but you notice the size of the holes, again, they're very, very large. The larger the holes, the more water pressure you need to put good power in your shower. I'm going to turn this one on. Don't worry, I won't get you wet. You can see the water starting to spurt out now. But if that was in your house, if that was in a particular shower, maybe a gravity-fed shower, you know, they have the least amount of power. As I say, you wouldn't be very happy. You'd have to run about in the shower to get wet. So, I'm going to take it off. We're going to use exactly the same amount of water pressure. We're going to pop this one on. Now, this is the smallest one we do. This is the little jet one we do. 200 little tiny holes inside here. And because we're closing down the size of the holes, we're actually increasing the power that's coming out of the shower. So, all I need to do is unscrew my old shower head. I screw the new one on. There's no plumbing involved. There's no expense involved. Watch the amount of power you now get. It's a little bit like, the best analogy is, it's a bit like putting your finger over the end of a hose pipe. The water goes further. You're using exactly the same amount of water. But when you feel the water is really, really soft. Because the holes in the head are smaller, the water droplets are smaller, they tend to soak into your skin, so you need a lot less water to give yourself a good shower. Water saving and energy saving. Standard shower like this, you're looking at round about 8-minute shower, about 90 litres of water. With this one here, you're looking at just 54 litres of water. If you can save 30 to 50% of your water, you're going to save 30 to 50% of your energy cost. In other words, gas and electric, heating that water. Now the holes in the head would be no good if they didn't have the filters. So you notice we have the filters on here, the natural minerals. The brownstone is called tourmaline, and this is designed to trap your lime scale. So your lime scale is trapped on the handle of the shower. You notice how we make the shower head and the handle clear so that you can see everything that's happening in there. So lime scale, copper, peat, iron, chalky water, will get trapped on the handle. And the neck of the shower, you'll notice the black beads. These are natural minerals, these are called phosphite, and these basically absorb the chlorine in your water. They'll take out 99% of the chlorine. And the head of the shower, which you can't see in the small one, but you can see in the, say, the larger ones, in the head of the shower, you'll notice we have a white stone. That's called onion stone. Onion stone is a natural stone that promotes oxygen in the water. The more oxygen in the water you have, the better you feel when you come out your shower. So basically you have 3-stage filtration system. So you're cleaning the water, you're purifying the water, and then you're detoxing. You're putting oxygen in the water to make you feel a little bit fresher. The great thing about this shower, I feel, is you can clean every part. You take the head of the shower off, so by unscrewing the head, and you'll notice in here already, I mean, I'm using recycled water from a little pump, but you'll notice already all the dirt and debris will collect in the head of the shower. All you need to do is unscrew the disc, you give it a little clean, you give it a little polish. I recommend these little magic microfiber cloths, and what you do then is you just put the little disc on, a little silicone seal, and you screw that back together, and you'll notice now we're not getting water coming out everywhere. Yeah? So that's the idea. Now, the only disadvantage with a shower like this, it's designed to save you water, designed to use the same amount of water every time, but you'll find that there's no adjustment on the head like this, so you can't twist it to adjust it. Most people don't use an adjustment anyway. So, with this one we do 3 different sizes. So what you do, rather than adjusting the head yourself, you decide what type of spray pattern you want. So this one here is the most popular. This is a medium shower head, so slightly larger. It's about the same size as the one that you're more than likely having to replace. This one here has a cone spray. So when the laser is cutting through the holes of the shower, instead of going downwards, it goes at a slight angle. So it will be narrow at the top, but it will go out wide at the bottom, as you can see here. So there is your cone. So if you have this on a riser rail, you'll find the expanse here is quite large. So again, you don't have to run about in the shower to get wet. It'll soak you to the bone. So narrow at the top and a little bit wide at the bottom. What I do find with this shower though, which is very, very good, because I cut with a laser at an angle, if I take off the head of the shower, at this point here, if you do want to change the pattern on the shower, you take the disc out, you turn it the opposite way, and now rather than having a cone where it's narrow at the top and slightly wide at the bottom, if anyone has long, thick hair, because it softens the water, you use a lot less shampoo, and because of the power in the shower, the power generated, now you'll notice there's a different spray pattern. It comes straight down. So that will take the soap and the shampoo out of your hair very, very easy. So you don't adjust it by turning the head, you take the head off, you turn the disc over, and now you can see a different spray pattern. The last one I want to show you is a natural rainfall. This is what I call the Amazon shower. This one, by the way, is the largest one we do for two reasons. One reason is it's got the same amount of holes as the other showers, but the holes are basically spread out a little bit more. Second reason is when the water fills up like this, it's the largest we can do because of the weight, because you don't want your shower tipping, as you can see there. So this one here is your natural rainfall shower. So this is like natural rainfall, say in the Amazon jungle. It's nice and soft on your skin. It's not too harsh at all. And by the way, I mean, I use these in the house, but do you know that one of my best places to use it is when I'm washing my dog. Because the water is so soft, because the beads of water are so gentle, my dog enjoys the shower rather than wriggles about. So great for your dogs, great for, in fact we do trust with a shower for that reason. So great for your dogs, great for all your pets. Larger animals like horses as well, fantastic. As I say, so soft water, it soaks into your skin. As I say, it doesn't bounce and beat off. I mean, if you've ever been out in a thunderstorm and the rain just bounces off you, you tend to get more wet and a drizzle of rain. And the reason is the beads of water are smaller, they soak into your skin better. Standard shower head like this one here, you're looking at about 90 litres of water for an 8-minute shower, 54 litres. Over a year, 2 8-minute showers a day, you save about 20,000 litres of water a year. That would save you about £200 off your water bill if you're on a water meter. And how do you heat your water? Electricity or gas? This is going to save you a bit of money on your electricity and gas as well.